I will never hear the ocean the same way after this. This sound from the Mariana Trench? It's not a whale. I promise you. It's chilling. At nearly 36,000 feet down, microphones picked up a knock, a hum, weird rhythmic pulses, like a mechanical heartbeat. Instruments rule out ships and most known animals. Some think tectonic seismic snaps, others whisper unknown creatures, or even hydrothermal vents talking back. The coolest part? The signal changes over time, as if whatever makes it is adapting. Scientists are gearing up with smarter sensors to decode it, and whatever that sound is, it could rewrite how we think life and noise exist in the abyss. Want updates when they decode it?